Hello and welcome to quick tip bonus video number 1. My name is Dionne and I am the owner of VoiceInMinistry.uk. Welcome. So let's just get straight into it. Our first tip today was if you're struggling with your voice, struggling to get control over it, then start from your speaking voice. Reset back to your speaking voice. Your speaking voice is its most natural placement. Well, it's where it feels the most comfortable, the most relaxed, the most open, and as a result, it's the best place to start singing from. So if you find yourself starting quite high, like going, amazing, and you're up here like way too high and it's quite squeezed and tight in here, then just reset your voice back down to the speaking level of your voice. So for instance, let me just give you an idea with Amazing Grace. So if I start too high and I go amazing, so what kind of, I've gone up here, how sweet, where am I going to go to? There's nowhere to go. So I want to reset back my voice. I'll go back down to my speech level, which is here. Amazing grace. I want to start from there, and then I might pitch it up slightly. Amazing grace, how sweet. Do you see? So you can do that incrementally, just go up a little bit at a time. Obviously, if it starts to feel uncomfortable or it starts to feel weird, then or tight, or you've gone too far out of your range, stay comfortable. So yeah, if you're struggling with your voice, reset it back to the speaking level and you should be able to regain some control over your singing. Okay, thank you. That's quick tip number 1. I'll see you in quick tip number 2. Take care. Bye.